a life that is more full of dynamic action and with friends and family, with colleagues, and is something that allows me to communicate more in my natural way of communicating than any other technology that I have experienced.
Now we are able to develop AI algorithms that are going to be changing the stimulation in real time. Why don't we actually try to develop these sort of systems so that we, depending on what the patient is doing, we're going to deliver the best stimulation? Meaning, if my patient is walking, we're going to go and stimulate the best possible for walking.